Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but in my spare time, I have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. And today, I'm going to show you how to decorate butterfly cookies. For those of you who have never decorated cookies with royal icing, butterfly cookies are the perfect ones to try because they don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Since we are still in quarantine, we can't go out and be our usual social butterflies, but we can stay home, stay safe, and make social butterfly cookies. Huh? Okay, bad joke. Let's start decorating. Orange and blue, my favorite colors. I wonder if there'll be a football season. Go Broncos! I'm showing you 3 different butterfly techniques, but really, it's almost impossible to screw up a butterfly cookie. Boopity beep, boopity beep, boopity beep beep, boopity boop boop. You can even cut your butterfly in half and make it look like it's the side of the butterfly. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. And remember, butterflies are proof that we can go through great darkness and still become something beautiful. Bring some light to your day today. Make some butterfly cookies. Happy baking!